Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School haka khat santri ku jembang arajar arpulai kala Pynkut no ya ka annual sports meet ka bala sedang nadu ka pratri ku jembang ha ka ba menta ka sngi la yo ya ka jing Pynkut buram bat sam ni ki khusnam shi nong job ki beli ashim benta ha ka program ka bala penlong ha po auditorium jong ka school. Hagani ka sngi le don lang assistant director ka tanat elek kai sports suba ke pasa ubalalong kum kongsan district sports officer ka East Khasi Hill suba o mautho ubalalong kum sumbut kongsan kinongkit kam shnong ka molai kenton masar kiba kintup yo ba ji karnayor assistant rangba shnong ka principal kong East Emily kinonghikai bat ki Khynnah school jong ka school. Kumban syupen kin mau ya Jinghikai kai ki bashabar ni ki outdoor games lada penlong nadu ka pratri ku jembang ki bakin top ya Jinghikai kai athletics ba pair ka bala penlong hamadan nyelek kai jong ke Sports Authority of India Training Center Shillong kat bayi ki waipat ki program kum ki Jinghikai kop rwaya kop shot la penlong hapok ka school. Jaka nam la adu hagani ka annual sports meet la yo ra da ka Yellow House ka bala yo hadu 6000 hundred spotlight point Jika kerdan baar layo rak dekat Blue House, kabala yo hado 6000 South Spa ar popon. Jika kerdan kabalai dekat Greenhouse, kabala yo hado 6000 ar Spa ar popon. Bat ka kerdan masau kala lej ka Red House, kabala yo tang lai Spa lai popon. Kani ka school kala pau ba ki kam yele kai nado ki snam ki badalai ha ka bakala sairu ya bongut ki nong yele kai ki bakinsai bat kala yo ruban ra ya kanam lado okay international subrto cup hosnam arajar khatlai ka balong hanong ba New Delhi hosnam arajar arpo kala play ya ka slam Jinghikai football ne ka football academy bat dangshan kala yo ruban Thied ya ka Jaka ha mau tawar na ka benta ban tei ya ka mana nyele kai football khnang bakan long ka jingmento ya ki Khynnah bakin pentebet yala de ka kam nyele kai football na lor ka puli puthi. Hakapaya day bat kani kaliang ka school kalabu ke jingkerpat hakamadu officer ka tanat elek kai sports ka sarkar jela nakabenta ban penyo ye gilat jingerap kenang ban la ban penbit penbiang ye kete kamadan hagi babon kiliang.
When we talk about sports in this modern world, it's not only about health. Now it involves career opportunity. I think that's why even the school management also keen interest in sports, because in this new generation the sports and game is not only playing for health or playing for entertainment. It has become a job opportunity, or you can catch up a line in sports where you can go for further studies in the line of sports. OM Roy is one of the schools that I have known very long time back, because they are the school who have been taking part in most of the events that has been conducted by the office of the DSO and also by the Directorate of Sports. We are very much thankful to them, because this is a school which have bring laurel not only to the district but also to the state. They have been participating in the Subrto Cup, and they have also been up to the international level, that is in Delhi. I forgotten which year was it, but they were the winner, and they have brought laurel to the state. Thank you very much, OM Roy. I think what you have done for the state will always be remembered. And I'm happy also to know from the principal that this school has collaborated with Thied in taking up sports as one of the main subject. Let me say it's like a subject where Thied is also one of the main centers for sports in the state. So Thied together with OM Roy, I think most of the students out here who are also in Thied, they are also studying here in this school. I think your thinking is very high compared to other schools, because this school has taken up sports person to that level where the future can be shown and the bright future of the students can come out, because everyone cannot become a doctor or an engineer or any other profession, but sports is also one of the career. So thank you OM Roy Secondary School for the opportunity that you have given to the young boys and girls of us here.